So this is my first video. If you can hear the back noise, which you probably can't, but if you do, I'm really sorry. But make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna be showing you what fidgets are worth, what fidgets I have. So let's get started. So the first fidget that I have is this jumbo pop. Like, this won't even fit in the whole camera, like, it's jumbo. And I really recommend it. And it's a really nice poppet. I don't have enough time to pop the whole poppet, so I'm just doing a little bit. Yes, moving on to the next are monkey noodles. As you can probably tell, they're not normal monkey noodles. They're really, really skinny. Like, bruh. I've never seen monkey noodles this skinny before. Well, I just did, but like, I think you should know what I mean. But yeah, these are really nice fidgets as well. Fidgets I really recommend are mini poppets. First, I have this frog poppet, ASMR. Fidgets I really recommend. And then I have our putties. The first putty I have is this one. 2, 1, here we go. So here is the putty. So I have this putty, and it's really nice. And it color changes once you play with it for a while. This purple putty color changes into a pink putty once you play with it for a while. Moving on to the next, this silly putty. 3, 2, 1. And here we go, it's opened. Oh gosh. But yes, this is the first silly putty. It's a blue silly putty, and it's scented like either blue raspberry or blueberries. Hold on. Yeah. Blueberries, pretty sure. Blueberries. You'll have to test out for yourself. Anyways, moving on to the next putty. Oh no. There was a nice stretch putty. Got it. So I opened it, and here's the pink silly putty. It smells like strawberries, kind of like a sweet strawberry scent. It's really nice, and I really like it. Time for the next fidget. Just listen to this noise. Okay, that's enough. Next fidget. Sandman. That's breaking apart. Just don't mind this breaking apart, you know. Just act like it was never there. Yeah. But yes, I have this Sandman. It's very squishy. Yeah, next fidget. Okay, here are the next fidget. Just don't mind how dirty they are. Yeah, they're hairy. Just don't mind. You don't have to look. Yeah, a bunch of mochis. Like a bunch. They're very jiggly. Jigga jigga. And squish. 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 Get a homemade fidget spinner. Yeah, I like it. Next, the snapper. A lot of people like snappers. The bike chain. Okay, I'm already bored. I have too many pop tubes. I'll show them to you. If any headphone users are ever watching this, RIP to you. Now we got poppers. We have this one. Oh, the sides are really hard to squeeze up. This is a bit hard too. We have this really soft one. All of them pop up, and it's really easy. And then I have this one that my teacher gave me. a really soft one. But this one doesn't have like that greasy stuff in it, so it doesn't pop up, sadly. And some bears. We have some anxiety rings, which I love just kind of flicking them like that. And then we have fidget cube. Yeah, got that fidget spinner. It's a 2-in-1 fidget spinner because this thing fits like that. And spoons. And then, wow, that looks so cool. Fidgets. We have 6 or 17 poppets right here. They're a lot. So let's start octagon one. Tie-dye cactus one. Red Mickey poppet. Poppet. Rainbow octagon poppet. Purple flower poppet. That's actually my brother's. This black puzzle piece poppet with cool designs on it. This marble controller poppet that goes in the dark from Learning Express. Rainbow unicorn poppet. This black stick rainbow circle poppet. Pineapple poppet with many pineapples on it. Pink heart poppet. Orange heart poppet with the alphabet on it. Octagon gummy bear poppet. This blue star poppet. So this is my second drawer of fidgets. I have this llama Nido, the off-brand. I have this penguin beach crystal, I call it. I have a purple Nido. I have this astronaut themed water snake. Really cool. I have 2 color changing Nidos. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Don't mind if they're a little dirty. I have a cool cat Nido. Orby stress balls. I have this strawberry Orby stress ball. Really cute one. I have this Orby stress ball. I have this cupcake one. I have these. I have a DNA ball. I have this tiny deflating wobble. I'm pretty sure it's called like a crystal Nido, if this is one. I have a poopy splat ball. I have a smiley face splat ball, but the smile is kind of wearing off. Dun dun dun! For the rest of my stress balls, I have this crunch ball. I have this this one. Nice feeling. And then I have this color changing slime stress ball. And then I have this mini stress ball. It has slime and glitter filled in it. And then I have this galaxy flippy thing. Not sure what it's called. Kind of forgot. I have this table. Moving on to the last drawer. So the first thing I have is this banana popper. Sadly, only the middle one pops up. It's really sad, but that's okay. I have a dimple. I have this wacky trap that I turned into a homemade snapper. I have specs. I call them watermelon themed specs because they kind of remind me of watermelon colors. It's basically like a Rubik's Cube, but different. Like this red has to be in like a pair with, you know, these reds, and they will look like, they have to look like this, but in the same colors. I really like it. I have a silicone simple dimple. I have a dimple and digits. Off-brand triple dimple, and look how bad it looks. Ew. This kind of grosses me out, but I do like it. I have my marble mesh. I have this dark blue one. I have 2 green ones. I have a red one. I have a pink one, and I have this really cool decorated one. This thing, it's like a puzzle kind of thingy, I would say. I guess. It feels really nice. You can just make different stuff with it, I guess. Really weird elf squishy. I forgot about one mochi. I forgot about this really cute mini, like seal mochi, I would say. Polar bear. Duh. I don't really know, but it's really cute. I have a crab dimple. I have a dimple spinner with mini strawberries on it. And it pops really well. Stretchy jelly. I like to have an infinity cube. I have this little maze thing. I have this McDonald's cap. Fidget is this humongous snake. Like, it doesn't even fully fit in the camera, but it's a really cool snake. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you in the next video. Goodbye.